In today's video, I'm just going to teach you how to use sumif formula in MS Excel. If you want to add values in Excel based on a specific condition, the sumif function is one of the easiest and most useful formulas to learn. In this example, we want to calculate the total amount for a specific product, which is laptop. This is helpful when you have a list of items and you only want to total the values that match one category. To begin, go to cell E2 and type laptop. This cell will contain the condition or the criteria that Excel will look for in your data. Using a separate cell for the criteria is a smart habit because it makes your worksheet more flexible. Later, if you want to calculate a different item, you can simply change the text in E2 instead of rewriting the formula. Next, click on cell F2. This is where we want the result to appear. In that cell, enter this formula exactly as shown, equals sumif, open parenthesis, A2 colon A11, comma, E2, comma, C2 colon C11, close parenthesis. So the full formula is equals sumif, open parenthesis, A2 A11, E2 C211, close parenthesis. Here's what that formula means. The first range, A2 to A11, is the area Excel will check to find matches. The second part, E2, is the criteria, which in this case is the word laptop. The third range, C2 to C11, contains the numbers that will be added together whenever Excel finds laptop in the first range. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will calculate the result and the answer should be 14,000. That result means Excel searched through cells A2 to A11, found every row where the item matched laptop, and then added the corresponding values from cells C2 to C11. This is exactly why sumif is so useful. It saves time and helps avoid manual calculation errors, especially when working with larger tables. One quick tip while entering the formula is to make sure your criteria range and sum range line up properly. In this example, both ranges cover the same set of rows, which is important for getting the correct total. And that's the simple process for using the sumif formula in Microsoft Excel. Type the item you want to calculate in E2, enter the sumif formula in F2, press enter, and Excel will return the total for that matching category. Once you understand this basic method, you can use the same formula pattern for many other types of reports and summaries in your spreadsheets.